Once in a while, a big bundle comes along on 𝗗𝗦𝗨𝗏 that's so ridiculously big. I had to share it with you guys because of the great value that it provides. 𝗗𝗦𝗨𝗏 has this bundle available for free. Over 600 t-shirt designs are available in 20 different niches. It took me a couple of hours to download the whole bundle. But I really like it because it contains professional, high-end print-on-demand utility graphics for t-shirts, apparel, and art prints. Time is money, and the quicker I can make designs and upload them to sites like Redbubble, TeePublic, and Merch by Amazon, the more chances I have to make sales. These design elements include commercial use and print-on-demand use. In other words, you can use it on site like Redbubble, TeePublic, Merch by Amazon, Teespring, or even your own website using Shopify or Wix. The bundle link is in the description for free download. However, there are only 4 days left to this free offer. Download it now. Just a heads up, the link will be an affiliate link, and what that means is if you click on it and you end up buying this bundle, I would receive a small commission. Anyways, if you are looking for a whole thing to start with and don't want to pay a monthly subscription to 𝗗𝗦𝗨𝗏𝗏 or other graphics websites, this bundle is for you. All the files are downloaded in SVG and PNG formats. If you open the SVG file on Adobe Illustrator, you can change it as you like. You can change its colors, change text, or combine it with other designs to have your own unique designs. Also, all the designs have a lifetime commercial licenses included. Thanks for watching.